Hi, today we talk about how to make your PLC software running fast. Most time we in the Windows 10 and Windows do something, especially Unbranded Studio 5000 or Siemens Typeport version 16 or 17 or Unbranded CCW version 12 or version 13 is running very slow, especially in the Windows of virtual machine. It's very slow. Today we just talk about how to increase RAM in the virtual machine Windows 7. Okay, now if you increase the virtual memory, the system running a little bit fast. Okay, first, if you install all the software Studio 5000, Aristologic Factory Tocqueville or Siemens Typeport, in the virtual machine, you should install Windows 7 or Windows 10 in the virtual machine. But you should configuration the memory. After that, we can do increase the virtual machine, the virtual memory in the Windows virtual machine, the Windows operation system. Okay, let's start. First, click computer. Okay, go to system property, go to the advanced system setting, go to the advanced, then go to the performance setting, go to advanced, go to virtual memory setting. In here we set up 4 GB for this virtual machine is Windows 7. Now we changing click here, just in here, we should figure out this one. Initial size and the max size, we should use the calculator. Okay, let's say first 1024 time is 4 GB. Before we set up in this virtual machine is 4 GB. The time 1.5. Okay. Oh, sorry. Notice 1025 times 4 times 1.5. Okay, 6144. 6144. Okay, maximum is 1024 time is 4. Okay, time is 3 is here 12288. Okay, that's it. Okay, now your setting. Okay, apply. Okay, that's it. Now you're running Studio 5000 is a little bit more fast. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.